This is my Garage Very Type 1 spoiler. And obviously, we've got a pretty big problem with it. Yeah, it's the wrong color. And if you guys have been following me on this journey with this car, you'll know that there was a carbon fiber rear spoiler already on it. So why the change? Why did I take it off? I liked the carbon fiber spoiler, I did. But since this is now my car, I can make it look however I want to. And I love the ducktail spoilers, but I wanted something a little more subtle. The white looks crazy on the paint, so it looks a little more noticeable, but once this thing is painted the same color, I think it's gonna blend in really nicely to the body. And while the carbon fiber was super nice, there's like no other carbon fiber on this car. So paint matched rear ducktail is the move. Plus, this being a genuine part, the fit and finish on it is like perfect. Perfectly matches the shape of the trunk, matches the rear tail lights, just looks really, really good. And once this is painted, like I said, I think it'll be subtle, but cool little upgrade. Plus, I've been rocking the spoilerless look for a little while now and kind of like it. I think the body lines of this car really lend well to no spoiler, so if you don't have one, keep rocking it because it's pretty nice. But this is small enough to where I think it's gonna fit pretty well. And before we get started, let me just preface this video by saying, no, I'm not a painter. This would be the second or third thing I've painted with professional tools. Like I got the 2K clear coat, got the color matched body paint and all of that stuff. So we're gonna be sanding this down, primering it, wet sanding, laying our body color, and hopefully this turns out all right. It's a small enough piece to where I think if it doesn't match perfectly or be the perfect quality, I think it's gonna still look good. But we've got a lot of work ahead of us, so let's get started. First coat is dry, pretty happy with the way it turned out. Yeah, we're gonna let that set for 10 or 15 more minutes, and then we'll start laying our clear coat. Thinking this is gonna turn out pretty well. Of wet sanding and buffing this thing, but my God, it came out way better than I thought. So doing like a 2500 wet sand, buffing it, polishing it. I don't know how it looks on the camera because it's so bright out, but it is a really nice shine. And that is just like a little bit of haziness in the paint. You can't even really tell, but this came out so nice for a backyard paint job. And there's really no like pieces of grass, only 1 or 2 pet hairs, but most of that kind of sanded out. There's a few eyes, they call them like fish eyes, I think. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see it because it is just so bright out and I've got the f-stop way up, but it looks really good. I'm super stoked on it. I've got our double-sided tape on it, ready to go. So let's get this thing installed. is the exact look I was going for. This is what I was envisioning when I picked up this car. Seeing the carbon fiber ducktail spoiler, I knew that there was a better option for me, and I've always wanted one of these GarageVary Type 1 spoilers, and just so happened to find one, and just so happened to put it on my Miata. And it looks so good. The paint match isn't perfect, like some spots, and it's a lot with the mica paint, it happens on the red car too. Some spots when the sunlight hits it just right, there's a better match, but then when it's a little bit shadier or cloudier, you can kind of tell it's a little bit darker, but it has that same sparkle, which is great. Sparkly paint, it's like bass boat green, kind of, I guess. But I'm really happy with this. It looks so good. OEM Plus, it's the way I want to go on this thing. And I'm sure you guys may have noticed these bad boys sitting over here, but those will come in another video. We've got one other body modification, and it's on the way as well. While the NA GV style front lip is fine, it's great, I'm trying to stick OEM Plus with this, which means OEM appearance package. So I've got the OEM appearance package front lip coming, and then maybe one day we'll find a set of the side skirts. I don't really care about it right now, but it's got the OEM rear appearance package lip. Match it with the front, match it with some RX-7 wheels, and I think we will be golden. But that is gonna end today's video. I'm super stoked on this. I know it wasn't a very in-depth or long video, but a lot of hours went into this, making it as best as I could. And I'm glad I spent the time, glad I spent the money on the 2K clear, all that stuff. I'm really, really happy with the way this turned out. And I hope you guys like it too. Leave a comment down below, let me know which spoiler you have, or if I've made a mistake and should have kept the carbon fiber spoiler, but you're wrong, so whatever. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to the channel, go down below, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the upcoming NC videos. We've got plenty more to do. Leave a comment below, leave a like. I'll see you in the next one.